start recording. Hello everyone, this is Future Cameron, and before we start this video, I'd like to show that I've gotten a mushroom farm, and yeah, I've also come upstairs. Why I have a mushroom farm? That's the reason. All I've done is enchant my pickaxe. Nothing really much. But let's get into this video. Hey everyone, this is Cam Master Gaming here, and welcome back to Minecraft. I'm still working on my new intro, but I've been oh no, I turned that off. I've been exploring, and I went in this one direction. I didn't do what I needed to do yet, because in this singular direction, there's going to be a desert. And what is this? Is that a ruin? Let's get close to it and see what it is. So, I found the ruin, but it has no chest. Let's continue to the village. Ooh, so everyone, I got myself my first villager. It took like 30 minutes, but he has some okay trades. I'm going to say it's a pretty good trade with my sugarcane farm. Bookshelves could be good. Lanterns are good lights, but this book, I wonder what it is. Ooh, maybe not mending, but fortune 3. Woo. Whew. Alright, time to get some more, not going that way, sugar. Okay, I have a better idea. Let's work on the auto smelter I was trying to make. Let me go get my rails. I need rails, and I left them all over here. I can't believe yeah, there's other people in the server. I'll be back when I'm done mining. Okay, guys, so I know I was gonna get a second villager to make a villager breeder, but I need an auto smelter, and I need a lot of hoppers. I need 7 plus 8, 15 more hoppers, and I don't have that much iron whatsoever. Nope. I don't got any of the iron I need. I'm also going to make a bunch of chests because I want to start off with a decent storage system. That's gonna hurt. I guess not. Okay, let me make up my storage system for now. Okay, I actually can't open those. I'm going to need, those can't open. Yeah, those definitely can't, they can't open. Okay, that was a little fast. Not the fastest in the world, but it was okay. No, I forgot. Shift. Okay, with this last chest, I'm just gonna place it. Time for a huge mining session. I'll be right back when I find something. Woo! Okay, the next day I'm back in a redstone testing world, and guys, I finally did it. I finally made an auto smelter that actually works. Like, look at this. Iron. Look. Watch what happens when this thing goes here. It goes down into the chest. And how I did this was basically that thing didn't work. So basically I have some automatically going rails right on the top. I put the iron so it can go in the top slot, and then on the side I have the coal going on the bottom slot. And then when they cook the iron, they go down into this hopper and into this chest. So now it's time to actually build this in the other world. How many hoppers is this? 8 right there. 16, 24. 24. 8, 16, 24. Yeah, 24 hoppers, 8 chests, and let's get back into this world. Okay, so I'm back, and I got 3 more bookshelves and got efficiency 2 plus unbreaking 2 on my diamond pick. So far, this is what the auto smelter is looking like. All we need is to get enough iron so that we can get about 9 more hoppers, since I have 1 with me. We only need 8 here, but 2 for the minecart with hoppers in them. So I'm going to go down into the mines, and I'll be back. I'll come back up when I've either died or gotten enough iron. Oh, also one thing I want to show you is this. Again, I said the same word. I made a big hole, and all I got was 5 diamonds. That's how I made this pick. I put the other 2. It was right here. I blocked it. I thought this would start spawning slimes, and no, it did not. I need to make this twice as big. But I'll do it. What? Oh, lol. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done mining iron. Guys, it's finally big enough. We finally got slimes. These are our first slime balls. Our first, and this is how it's looking. There's been a cave. I've gotten a total of 24 iron. Not sure if it'd be enough. Let me put all of my good stuff away. No, not that iron. I keep that. I really don't want to do diorite in here. Diorite is ugly. But, man, slime balls. Finally. Finally. This is how much farther I have to mine, and then I have to try not interrupting the cave that's right there. I got 0 diamonds, which is very sad. I've mined how much stone have I mined? I'm sorry, I have to scroll. 3,710 blocks. That's a lot of cobblestone. But I'll be back when I am 100% fully finished with this mining. I'll be right back when I'm done. I'm not done, but woo! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 diamonds right there. Let's go back to our mining chest. Put the cobblestone in because I literally have 100 cobblestone. Put the granite in, put that in, and then put the diamonds in. This feels amazing. But look how much I've mined so far. Just look at this. I've been mining for 2 hours and I'm still not done. 2 hours! Like, seriously. How have I mined that much? I'll be back when I'm done or find more diamonds. Okay, guys, so I have finished it. I have finished the auto furnace. So basically what you do for this is that right here you're gonna put in the coal on that hopper mine cart, and then you'll put in your ore on that top hopper mine cart. And then how it works is basically the top brings it into the first selection and the iron goes in first. So it'll go on the top. It can be anything you can smelt. Here, let me get my cobblestone for an example. Ow. Please tell me I have coal with me. Oh, I also didn't finish that one piece of. I'll be back when I've gotten my coal. Oh, I don't want to get my coal. Okay, I'll use wood. I'm going to be smart. I don't know if it's really being smart if I'm using wood because it's wood. Okay, let me. Bloop. No. No. Oh, man. This is why it's really hard to do it. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now look at here. Look. So basically, all of these have stone, and then watch this. Oh no! What happened? And there's our smooth stone. If I actually wanted to, I could make a second auto smelter, which I really think would be a pain to do. Put it under this, and then it could just be smelting the smooth stone from there. But this took so long to build. This took 3 hours. I stayed up till 1 a.m. Actually building this. I was like, I need my own auto smelter, and then here it is. Here it is. And then if something gets stuck, you can just look in there. And wow, this is just beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, the wood runs out, you see. That is insane. My pickaxe has like really low durability. I don't know if I showed you guys what the mine looks like now that it's fully complete, so I'm gonna go show you guys that while I get coal. Okay, I had to zoom out all the way for this, but this is what it all looks like. Here, let me put my fob to normal. Okay, normal. This is what it looks like. Slimes do have chances of spawning in here. The only problem is probably the obsidian, because I don't think they can spawn in it. I filled up 2 chests. I'm gonna get a lot of cobble, get all of my ores I have that was from here. Get my diamonds. Definitely get the slime balls. Block of coal. That I did good. I feel like I did well. Okay, let's go back to the base so we can do a melon farm, since we also have 5 seeds for melons. Guys, I finally did it. After 4 deaths, I made a spider farm. Yay! Woo! Ow. Ow. It's still a little bit painful if you get too close. I'm going to make some more stone slabs. Okay. And then put that there. I should be getting all of their drops. Let's am I getting? Ow! up behind me. The only thing I don't like about these cave spiders is that they're always just like bothering you. Okay, there's something I have to change on the farm. And that's, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. Okay. I need to, what's it called? Add hoppers at the bottom, which is gonna be such a pain. I don't want to do that. But I actually have to. In order for this spider farm to work correctly, then I'd have to do that. So, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, guys, so I actually I finally finished my spider farm down here, and I did this so I can sprint. Let me go down here really fast. Turn left. Go here. Jump that. Oh, messed it up again. Go down here. And then this is my spider farm. Now I need to get back up so I can show you all what else I did. Here. Run. Oh no, this part takes a while. Jump, jump, jump. I wish I had like a beacon with jump boost. That's why I just like jump boost a lot. If you get jump boost too, you can jump over 2 blocks. But I would only have 1 when I get a beacon. There's the cows. I moved some stuff. I got 3 more books because there was books in buried treasure. Well, not the chest, but the shipwreck. My thing is still working its butt off. Let me grab that. Let me grab this and this. That's already 41 normal stone. And I think next episode we're gonna start the plot or how I'm going to make my mega base, because me and Holden are gonna do mega bases. This is like a copy of Hermitcraft because I wanted to be in Hermitcraft for a long time. I've been wanting to be in it since Hermitcraft season 4, but that's when I barely became a YouTuber. But I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's a shipwreck I went to, by the way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the subscribe button and smash the like button. And yeah, we'll see you guys. No. No, yes! Take me to the ruin. Oh man, I'm not getting dolphin boosted. Oh, I see the ruins it took me to. No sleeping. Ruins. Okay. I'll deal with that next time. Okay, I'm gonna start here and then I'm going to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out.